Hey y'all, welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we're going to create this really easy French Gel X nail set, and we're also going to do some nail sugaring on top. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So to start off, I'm spraying my hands with this antiseptic dehydrator spray. These are the natural nails. And then you're going to want to go in and clean them really well with a brush. Make sure there's no oils or dirt on the nails. Then after that, you're going to want to go in with a really fine sanding band or file and just buff off the natural shine from the nail. Then I'm going to go in with this HEMA-free 2B Glam base gel. There's also Amy Lee has a HEMA-free base gel on Amazon if you guys are interested. I'm applying this all over the nails, a really nice coat, and then curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And this gel polish that I'm going to be using today is from Rosaline. It is HEMA-free and highly pigmented. I highly recommend them. I did do an unboxing on my channel a few videos back if you guys are interested. So these nails, you guys, are Gel X dupe nails I got from AliExpress. I don't know the exact link, but if you guys just search in there or on Amazon, long coffin Gel X nails, these will show up. I am using a 123 Go bubblegum gel, which is the solid nail glue gel. You can also get it on Amazon from Born Pretty. And a hack for these French nails is that I'm using a pink color, so I do not need to do a base. I will just cure these in the lamp, and then the natural color, the pink color of the nail bed, is already finished for me. I'm rocking these onto my nails at a 45-degree angle. You guys can see here from the cuticle area, not touching towards the free edge. Make sure they are secured on the nail. And then we're going to cure these in our LED UV lamp for 60 seconds. I'm giving these a good clean here, and I'm using acetone. This just ensures that you have a bit of a rougher surface for the gel polish to adhere to. So super easy French nails, you guys. Now I'm using the Rosaline Gel Polish. This is a really beautiful pink color. I absolutely love it. So I'm putting some there on my palette, and then I'm going in with this liner brush, and in order to do these Frenchies, I do one dot in the middle, two dots on the side, how deep you want your French smile line to be, and then you just connect them for the first step. You're going to do this on all your nails, and then you can flash cure them in your lamp for 10 to 15 seconds. And then you just basically go in and fill in that tip with the color. And I think this is really easy. I love that the solid nail gel glue is already pink, so I don't need to go over these with another gel polish. That was really easy, and I cannot draw at all. So this was really easy for somebody that's a beginner, cannot draw. This is a really easy French nail hack design to do. You can also do this with pink builder gel or pink base gel. It'll work just the same as long as it has some pink in it. It'll be really easy to do. So I'm just doing this. I'm giving this a flash cure, and then I'm going to go in and fill in the French design portion with the Rosaline Gel Polish. And how beautiful is this pink? I absolutely love it. I think it's super flattering and gorgeous. And then I'm going to show you guys how I do nail sugaring. It's super pretty. I love these nails. They turned out super pretty, elegant, and girly. These are probably one of my favorites I've done in a really long time. Yeah, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I notice a lot of you that are watching are not subscribed. I show you guys tons of nail hacks, nail videos, tutorials, and I show you guys how to do your nails at home. So I hope you guys subscribe and join us. I really would be happy if you did so. Thank you to everybody that is subscribed and all the kind comments. I truly appreciate it, you guys. Yeah, and I love reading all your sweet comments. It makes my day. So now I'm just finishing these off. I'm curing these in the lamp, and then we're going to go in and fill out the rest of the color. So you guys can see how good and pigmented this gel polish is. I only had to do one coat, which is really awesome. And yeah, if you guys are interested in these, I do have a discount code. I will link it down below. And this did come in a kit with a bunch of other nude pinky colors that I think would be perfect for every skin tone and year round. So I highly recommend. And I'm going to do this, you guys, and then I'm not going to cure it, and then I'm going to show you guys how I go in and do nail sugaring. It's a really, really fun effect, especially heading into the winter. It's a really beautiful effect to have. Yeah, so I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to show you guys how I do the nail sugaring effect. Yeah, this color is really, really beautiful. I adore any pink shades, and I think that this is a really gorgeous and unique shade. So I'm doing this on all of the nails, you guys, and look how easy that was. We didn't have to do a base layer or anything because we used a pink gel when we adhered the Gel X nails. So I didn't cure these, you guys, and I'm using this Zulays glitter. I'm just adding any more that I feel needs to be added on, just to make sure when you are nail sugaring, you want to make sure you have a pretty nice thick layer of your gel down first. And something that I should have done that I didn't do, you guys, is top coat first the base of the nails in a no wipe. You want to use a no wipe, but it wasn't really a big deal. I just went on that nail bed with gel polish, only the nail bed, because if you go over the nail sugaring part, then you're going to get a different effect. You guys are going to see what I mean here in a second. But I'm just going over this, making sure I have a nice thick layer of gel for that glitter to stick to. You can use any fine glitter that you want. This is a really, really beautiful one. It's like a holographic, not holographic, but like shimmery, iridescent glitter from Zulays. It is absolutely stunning. But really, I think that any fine glitter will do. There's tons from AliExpress, Amazon. You can do gold, you can do silver, you can do white. This is a white-based one. And why I like the white iridescent-based ones is whatever color you do underneath, it's going to kind of peek through. And I think that is so, so pretty in the end. And something that I didn't do here, you guys, make sure you get the ends, like the edges of your nails. Sometimes it skips your mind, but when you finish your nail set, it's really noticeable. So make sure you go all the way around to the edges. There, I fill it in right there. That's super, super important. So this dish is a dip tray dish for French nails, but you can also use a cupcake tray, anything that you have, just to make sure that you can put back that glitter. Now, obviously, these are just for me. If you are doing these for clients or for other people, do not put back whatever glitter isn't used in the jar. You don't want to contaminate it. So you guys can see how I'm doing this here. And here's the magic. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this part. So I do this to all the nails. And then after I do all the nails, I cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I just tap off the excess. And do you guys see how gorgeous that is? So you can either pour it in or just place it in like this. When you're placing it in, just make sure you're really, really careful not to bump the sides of the nail because they still have wet gel polish on them. So just, oh my God, I love these. They're so glittery. So I'm just doing this to all of the nails, you guys, and then I'm going to give this a big cure in my lamp for 60 seconds. And then I do go around, after I do this, I go in with a rough brush and just go over that glittered area to make sure you are removing anything that's sticking up. It's really, really important to do this, and you guys can see how gorgeous these nails turned out. I love the glitter, and it was really, really easy to do. I am using the Beetles Rhinestone Glue Gel, which I highly recommend, to just adhere one crystal on the nail here. And then I'm going to cure these in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail design. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like the video, comment down below, and let me know what you guys think. So I wanted to show you one nail, how it would look when you cover it with top coat, and this is it. It's still really, really pretty, but a bit of a different effect. So the nail sugaring will have a bit of a roughness to it on the tip. If you don't like that, you can go in and encapsulate it with a thicker top coat. It'll take a few layers, as you guys see me doing here, and you see how the look kind of changes. So it just depends what you guys would like. I just wanted to show you both. Some people don't like that roughness that the nail sugaring can leave. I like it, it doesn't bother me, but you guys can see the different effects there that it had. The other nails, I didn't do that too. So, and it won't come off, the glitter. Once it's cured in that base, it won't come off. So I'm just going over this, the nail bed area only, with top gel, and then you guys will see me use the Beetles Rhinestone Gel Glue. to adhere crystal on to the middle finger, and that is it, you guys. These were super, super easy Gel X French nails. I hope you enjoyed the hacks and the nail sugaring at the end. I did use the Rosaline Gel Polishes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!